mainly due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area.
Don't get me wrong. I like being a puppy.
Oh God.
I just wish.
What is it? What is it? Oh my God. Another SVR. I stopped this early. Come on.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties: Washington, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
That's the wrong.
Central Belmont County and East Central Ohio,
Okay.
West Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, northern Marshall County in northern West Virginia, southeastern Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bethlehem, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Martins Ferry, Bel Air, Warwood, Bethlehem, West Liberty, Philadelphia, Clearview, Valley Grove, Bridgeport, Bethany, Brookside. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 225. Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile markers 0 and 7, in between mile markers 9 and 14. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 4. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.